Welcome to GFX for Dummies. This is a small series and where I go over short videos on how to do certain parts of making a GFX. I hope you guys like this. Please like and subscribe so this can reach out to more people trying to learn how to make GFXs. But without further ado, on today's topic, I'm going to be going over how to import your avatar into Roblox Studio and how to customize it. Now this is the very first thing you need to do to start a GFX, and it's pretty easy. So first you want to go to your toolbox. And if you don't have your toolbox, just go to home and there's going to be this toolbox icon that you just want to hit and it should bring up the toolbox. And after that, you want to go down to this drop down. There's going to be models, there's going to be plugins. You want to go to plugins. Then you want to type in load character. Now as you see, there's going to be two versions, a paid version and a free version. You want to get the free version. You can get the paid version if you prefer that. I don't see any benefits that it would really give you, but you just want to go down and hit install. Now after that, once it's done installing, you just want to go to plugins and you want to hit load character. Now if you're using your avatar, you just want to type in your username. My username is Lost in Days. There you go. Now if you're using a friend's avatar, or if you're doing this for a commission, you don't want to use their nickname. You want to use their actual Roblox username. Just a quick heads up. But as you can see, once we spawn him in, he's going to be clipping through the ground, and we don't want that because when we import our accessories, then the accessories will be messed up and not lined up. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go all the way down to the properties. And you're going to see origin. You just want to change your position to 0, 3, 0. There you go. Now he's no longer clipping through the ground and we don't have to worry about that for accessories. Now to customize your avatar, all you have to do is open this. As you see, there's going to be your pants or shirt and all the accessories. Now say if you don't want the glasses accessory, you just need to hit delete. And if you want to go back because you accidentally deleted something that you want, you just want to hit Control Z. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the pants and the shirt. But there's also a way to import accessories that you don't own into Roblox Studio. And I already have a video on that, so I will link that video in the description. So, I'll also be showing you how to change your face in this video. And it's pretty simple. All you need to do is go into Roblox Marketplace and then find an outfit that you like. So give me 1 second. Alright, in Marketplace, you just want to go to clothing. And as you can see, it has the recommended for me. And let's say that I want this vintage faded t-shirt. All you have to do is click on it. And as you can see, the ID will pop up right here. You just want to double click on it and then right click on it. And then you want to hit copy, or you can also hit Control C. Now you want to go back into Studio, and then you want to go to your shirt, and it's going to say shirt templates right here, and this is where you put your ID. So you just want to hit delete on this, then you want to hit Control V and paste in our shirt, and there you go, our shirt will be changed. Now the same thing is for pants, but the face is a little different. Say if you want a different face, you just want to go in and go into head in the little drop down bar. Then you want to go into face, and here's going to be the texture ID. So just like the shirt, we're going to want to find the ID for a face that we like. So give me 1 second. Let's go into Marketplace again, and then let's go into heads, classic faces, and let's go with tired face. Now you just want to again double click on the ID and then copy it. Then you want to go to Roblox Studio, and then you just want to replace the ID with the one we just grabbed. And there you go. That is how you change your face and how you change your clothing. Now that'll be it for this video. Once again, these videos are going to be short. Next video will be on how to export your avatar into Blender. Again, feel free to like and subscribe. I am trying to reach out as to many new GFX artists as I can. It'd be a big help if you guys liked and subscribed and shared it to your friends. Anyway, that's about it. Hope you have a good day.